Margie, and this is my tiny house in Cocoa, Florida. The dimensions are 10 by 34. I've been living in my tiny house for 6 years. I'm here at Peace Wind. I pay $7.50 for my lot, and I pay for my own utilities. I love being able to do my own gardening. I love being with nature and just love being part of the community. Okay, and over here I have my chickens. I never had chickens before. I wanted eggs, fresh eggs. And I have 4 girls, and they lay 4 eggs a day. Oh, I love it. Yes, I share my eggs with everybody for free. All these plants mostly are from Cleveland. That's where I'm from, Cleveland, Ohio. I brought them with me, and they're growing beautiful in Florida. I love gardening. Actually, in Cleveland, I've won Best Yard in Cleveland. The mayor took me to lunch. We don't have that here. But I just love doing it. I don't do it just for awards. I love gardening. I love to see flowers bloom. I love everything about gardening. And in the back, I have a nice seating area that I enjoy every day. Oh, I love it because it's all shaded. It's nice. I'll sit and have coffee back here every day. I enjoy it. And back here is my she shed. This is stuff like storage, so I have more room in the tiny house. Oh, good boy. And this is Milo. He's new to the family. I just got him last week. And he's such a good boy. That's it for the outside. Let's go look on the inside. Welcome to my house. It's about 300 square feet. What was important to me was that I have my bedroom on the same floor. Also, I wanted a tub. That was a must. Starting here is my first floor bedroom. It was very important for me to have a first floor bedroom because I didn't want to climb stairs or anything. It sits a queen size bed perfect, and everything else in here just perfect. Have a nice size dresser, have my plants, have my pictures, have my nice shades, have everything I want in here. What I like was the high ceilings. It's opened. The air, when the air conditioning's on, comes right in here.
Yep, that's one extra tiny house. But you wouldn't believe the positive impact it's had on our lives. And that reminds me of Seed, who has created a truly impressive, scientifically engineered supplement to deliver tiny but mighty microorganisms to your insides to promote whole body benefits. This is Seed's DS-01 Daily Synbiotic, a broad spectrum probiotic and prebiotic formulated with 24 clinically and scientifically studied strains for gut, skin, and heart health. Living in the high desert, we can use all the moisture we can get. So I'm loving how DS-01 has helped me with my overall skin health and moisture balance. I hate to admit it, but I'm no spring chicken. And that's another reason why I'm happy to have found DS-01 to help support healthy aging. And it all comes in completely sustainable packaging with a refill system. So give it a try. Your insides and outsides will thank you. Use our code for 20% off Seed's DS-01 Daily Synbiotic.
Walking out of my bedroom into the living room. It fits perfectly for me, the way everything is, the way it sits. The couch fits nice. They put 2 tables here, but now I have a bird, so the bird cage sits there, but there's supposed to be, which I do have, 2 nice chairs if you want to sit here and eat your breakfast. But they're beautiful chairs. They're in the she shed. When they moved my tiny house from North Carolina, They scraped all the wires off, so that doesn't work right now. So I have a wall air condition, which works just perfectly for this tiny house. So it'll be a work in progress to get that fixed. I did put the wallpaper in. I really liked it a whole lot to match the floor. This is where I keep my bird buddy. She's mostly quiet unless she wants something or she wants to be held. I was raised in an orphanage my whole life, so that's what made me independent. Always took care of myself. Love nature, love to be out. That's part of being tiny. Definitely being out with nature. Used to be a welder. I retired from the East Ohio Gas Company. Said when I retire, I'm going to get a tiny house. Especially the older I get, you know, the less cleaning. But I have everything I want in here. And you still can do anything you want and change things around and do it just like you would in a home. And on the opposite side is my kitchen. Good counter space and lots of drawers. Microwave, actually it's an oven microwave, so it's pretty big. Yeah, nice drawers. It's a double sink. If you notice, I do not have a stove, but I have one of those ones that you pull out and put on the counter. And I do like that, so it's electric. It's not taking up any of my space, the stove. So it's very convenient to do that. My kitchen is very functional for me. And back here is my bathroom. I really love the bathroom because it has everything in it. You know, I love the mirror. Everybody that comes in here loves the bathroom. This is my shower, but what was important was the bathtub. I'm a bathtub person. I'm not a shower person. I love baths. I have to soak my weary bones. At first, I had trouble getting used to a washer that dries, too. Now I like it. And a flush toilet is so nice. It works really well for me. It has all the space. I mean, it's all the comforts of home, which it is home. Now we'll head upstairs to the loft. Watch, there's no railing. But I did put this up, so I have something to pull on and hold to. This is my loft for company. Extra place to sleep. It's quite comfortable. I've slept up here a couple times. When I was picking the tiny house, this was important for me because I knew I was going to have my children come and visit me. So it was very important for me to have somewhere for them to sleep. When they come, they really enjoy it. I have no problems. I thought it would be cool to have up here some skylights, so whoever was sleeping, they could see the stars. I lived in North Carolina for 3 years with 3 other tiny house people. It was a beautiful place, and I'm really glad to have that experience to live in North Carolina because I was not too far from Smoky Mountains, and I would take my dog every day and go to the mountains. My daughter and my son live here, so they said, well, come closer to us because we never get to see you. My daughter went and found this place, and Jinky was more than welcoming me here. And they have been so kind. Do you know how low my bills are? Living is so much cheaper. You know, you have to think about that when you get older. I live on Social Security and I live on my pension. If I was in a house with
big bills. I couldn't get by with just Social Security and pension. I get by really well. I mean, I'm not rich, but I don't need to be rich. I'm a simple person. I'm happy, satisfied.
Thank you for watching our video and for stopping by Tiny House Expedition. I'm Alexis.
And I'm Christian. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And for more tiny home tours and stories, click the videos below.
And join us on Instagram for bonus content,
including face-to-face conversations with us. We hope to see you there.
All right.
Thanks, guys.
Have a good one.